How to fix TikTok shop not showing. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. TikTok shop is not available in all countries and it is only available in selected countries such as US, UK, Indonesia. And if you are in a region where it is not supported, the shop tab will not appear. You can fix it by using a different country in your country and region section by enabling VPN. The next fix is switch to business account. So in your TikTok account, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now, select the settings and privacy option and you will see the option for account. Tap on that and then tap on the switch to business account option and further choose a category of your choice and switch to business account and see if the shop option is available or not. If not, then in settings and privacy again, tap on the free up space option you see there and then tap on the clear option beside the cache option. Now, in the pop-up that appears, tap on clear and then restart the app and check if the shop appears. If it is still not available, go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for TikTok and make sure the TikTok application is updated to its latest version to have the latest features of TikTok. And lastly, if nothing fixes your issue, you can try to contact TikTok support and report them your issue and they will fix it for you. So, this is how you can fix TikTok shop not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.